I have a lot of fun designing, building and testing my vertical gardening ideas, but if I'm not able to harvest anything from my vertical garden, then I think I should be doing something else. Hello and welcome to another episode of the High Grow Garden channel, the home of vertical food gardening. One of the concerns I had when I started working on a vertical garden was that my vegetables were not going to grow very well, considering that the planters I chose were rather small. I was afraid that root crops, such as carrots, were not going to have enough space to grow properly, so I decided to plant a small round carrot variety instead. As that type of carrot is naturally small and round, they grew very well in the small planters. I was so impressed with the results that I went all the way and followed a fancy recipe for baked round carrots. I added a bit of honey so they would taste even sweeter. Maybe I went over the top this time, but you have to agree that these small round carrots look really cute and tasty. Another crop that grows very well in a vertical garden is lettuce. I've had no trouble growing all types of lettuces in my vertical garden. I think all types of leafy vegetables and herbs can grow very well in a vertical garden, as they don't need large containers to grow properly. When the time came to replant my vertical garden, I had to add some more potting mix to replace what had been lost or decomposed before. The good thing was that I did not have to buy as much potting mix as the first time I planted the garden. Something I did differently this time was that I planted some flowers amongst the vegetables. My mobile vertical garden is located right next to the main door of the house, so by planting some flowers I thought the vertical garden would look more attractive. Replanting the vertical garden was quite easy as well. I removed the planters at the top, put them on the ground for replanting. Then I put them back at the top. For the planters in the middle, I did not have to move them at all, and I was able to replant just standing next to the planters. And for the planters at the lowest level, I just sat on a small stool. The work was quite easy and comfortable. There were no weeds to remove, and I did not have to bend my back, and that's the way I like it. Well, at that stage I had not resolved the irrigation issue yet, so I had to irrigate the plants using a watering can. I have some ideas about how to improve the irrigation system, but I will test that later on. I think planting some flowers in the vertical garden actually worked. Overall, I'm very happy with my vertical garden. I will continue to improve the design of my vertical garden, but I feel confident I am moving in the right direction. Let me know what you think.